The Omicron variant of COVID-19 is making its way through the Lehigh Valley. It's made a lot of people sick, but a little good news tonight. Local health leaders say they're hoping the worst is now behind us, while they also say the pandemic is still very present, very real. WFMZ's Dane Murray is in the newsroom to start us off tonight. Dane?
Rob, both LVHN and St. Luke's report a drop in patients hospitalized with COVID. Health professionals are hoping numbers continue to go down, but say our guard still needs to be up. Exactly 1 month post-Christmas, and COVID-19 case numbers are finally starting to decline.
About 2 weeks after the holidays, we were at a maximum.
Infectious Disease Specialist with St. Luke's Dr. Jahre says the max was well over 400 patients hospitalized with the virus.
We're now in a plateau situation where we're at least 1/3 below what we were seeing.
Over at LVHN hospitals, it was a similar situation.
At our peak, we were over 500 cases in the hospital.
CEO Dr. Brian Nestor says COVID hospitalizations at his facilities just dropped below the 400 mark. Both doctors reporting that their respective peaks saw the highest number of patient hospitalizations since the start of the pandemic.
We are in the thick of it right now. We are in the worst phase of the pandemic.
Omicron is to blame. Dr. Jahre says roughly 98% of all cases are from this latest variant, a strain easily spread with generally milder symptoms, but not for all.
Are there people who do end up on a ventilator with Omicron? Absolutely. Are there people who die of Omicron? Absolutely. Are there children who end up getting admitted to hospitals with Omicron and who tragically do poorly with it? That has certainly been the case.
Both healthcare companies say most of their patients not faring well are those who have chosen not to get the vaccine.
14 times greater chance of dying if you're unvaccinated. If that's not enough, I'm not sure what is.
Now, just because this latest variant is working its way through the region right now, Dr. Jahre says it doesn't mean COVID is on its way out. A new variant has already been reported in many countries, and it's only a matter of time before it makes its way here. Rob?